Sergey, the Illinois Regional Representative for Nutrients for Life, and I'm here with my daughter,
Jovi.
and we're outside enjoying this beautiful sunny spring day. Now when it starts to warm up, I start thinking I should probably start planting my garden. Now I normally purchase the plants that I plant in mine. Even though I haven't planted any, I'm definitely growing some weeds. That gets me thinking, how should I take care of my weeds this year? Now, originally, our former blogger, Dee McKenna, and a current master gardener, did a video on how to mulch your garden. She does a great job explaining it. And by mulching your garden, it does a few things for your soil. 1, it helps keep moisture in. 2, it helps keep weeds out. And 3, it eventually adds organic matter back into the soil as the hay or straw breaks down. Let's take a look at her video on how to properly mulch a garden.
Hi, it's Dee McKenna with Nutrients for Life. The garden has been planted and now it's time for me to mulch. Mulch is a great way to save time and to protect your garden from the weeds that rob nutrients and water from our soil, from our plants. The first thing that we need to do when we're going to mulch is to make sure that there are no weeds growing. So I've gone through and I've pulled all the weeds that are around my tomato plant, and then I went and I watered early this morning so that there's plenty of moisture in the soil. What I'm going to do is I just pulled some newspaper out of my recycling bin and I got it a little bit wet. That just kind of holds it from blowing away. It's pretty windy today. And I'm going to just lay this newspaper between my rows, like so. And I'm going to grab some soil and lay it on top to help hold it in place. And you want to make sure that your seedlings are at least 4 to 6 inches tall before you put down your layer of mulch. I like to use 2 or 3 sheets of newspaper around each plant. By the end of the growing season, all this newspaper will have biodegraded and created its own little mulch into the soil. So I'm going to completely cover this one plant, around this one plant. And you need to leave a good 2 or 3 inches around your tomato plant. And the wind, get it off. And now I'm just going to lay another layer of hay or straw around the plant. This is going to help hold the moisture in, and it'll break down and add nutrients to the soil. Now I'm going to continue this throughout the whole bed. And when I get done, I'll put my tomato cage on it and I'll anchor it down so it doesn't blow away. But by mulching, as you can tell, it's going to do a good job keeping the moisture in the garden bed and also keep the weeds from growing in it.
Now that we've watched Dee's video, I'd say we're pretty equipped and know how to mulch our own garden, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
We definitely want to get those weeds out of there. Now, next week we'll be doing another video. We're going to be talking about school gardens. And normally school gardens are something that keeps communities strong all summer long as they work together to maintain those gardens. With being quarantined this year, unfortunately, many schools are having to adapt. It's brought on new challenges. So we're going to be meeting with some people that take care of the school gardens and how they're handling that.